Hello and welcome to Gravity Forms Basics. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multi-path form where the user's choices change the form meaningfully. As you can see with this finished client intake form, the experience is tailored to the user. If I select New Project, I'm asked about budgets and goals. If I select Existing Support, those fields vanish and I am asked for a ticket ID instead. This branching makes your forms feel like a conversation rather than a static list of questions. To build this form, we first need a blank form. Go ahead and pause this video to create that now. Once you're ready, drag a radio button field onto the canvas. Set the field label to "How can we help you today?" and define your two paths in the Choices section as New Project and Existing Support. This field is the engine that drives our branching logic. Pause the video here while you get your trigger field set up. Now let's build our first path. Drag a section field onto the canvas and then label it Project Details. Underneath this header, drag in the fields you need for a new inquiry, like a number field, which we are going to rename Estimated Budget, and then a date field for desired launch date. By grouping these under a single section header, we make the logic much easier to manage in the next step. Pause the video and build out your first path. Next, we need the second path. Drag another section field below your first group and then label this one Support Information. There we go. Under this header, add fields relevant to an existing client, such as a single line text field for ticket ID and a paragraph text field for issue description. Now you have two distinct sets of data on one form. Pause here to finish building page 1's second path. This is where the pathing actually happens. Click on the Project Details section break divider. In the Settings sidebar, enable Conditional Logic and set it to show this section if "How can we help you today?" is New Project. Because of inheritance, everything below this header will now follow this rule. Now, do the same for the Support Information section break, setting it to show only when Existing Support is selected. Pause the video now to apply logic to both section headers. And there you go. All you have to do now is save the form, and you can try testing this out yourself. By using section-based conditional logic, you've turned a basic form into a dynamic experience that respects your user's time. You've now seen how to set a trigger, group fields into paths, and apply the logic that brings it all together. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content about all things Gravity Forms.